Project Lucid is here. Now there's no place left to hide.
I came to break the repetition. Take a second, listen, I'm out to claim respect. It isn't for famous recognition. This is a mission, not a small time thing. The achievement of all my dreams, you know what I mean? For my crosstown terrain, got lost ground I gained. Most hip hop sounds the same, and that's not about to change. So what are we to do with Mars that flock around a flame? Shine a brighter light to guide them away from these industry pawn. 2-bit frauds out for fame. Go swimming raw sewage, you get washed down a drain. Watch clouds of rain descend and bring forth storms. We resort to vices to block out the pain, cause secular ambitions keep us weak at the core. On our horizon line lies a broad mountain range so vast we should never run out of peace to explore. Uncap my pen and then I leave through a door to chart a path of words and pages that I keep in a drawer inside my desk. My life expressed through these rhymes. I use this music to diffuse my daily stress. Pursue the trail I quest, refuse to fail a test.
Trust me, I'm as live as it get.
Don't worry about giving, cause I'm taking respect.
From out the woodwork emerging for the lines of the grain, a figure forms a figment from inside of my brain, a representation of what I strive to attain, a picture pride from its frame. See, too soon to question, I viewed the truth as skewed perception was fed illusion and bred inside society's bubble. Awaken, gazing into a soup spoon's reflection, where instead up above dreams reside in deep puddles. Still waters calm, a quiet mind, a peace puzzles. Man, I trust in his plan, but can't understand just why do we struggle. Climbing uphill willpower, tied to weak muscle. Aiming our sights high, try to climb, but we stumble. Hands slip to the ledge's edge, grip with ivory knuckles. Rest of them scared to fall, they go to side to dig tunnels. The mountain's too tall, push it aside with steam shovels. Dark clouds illumine where the Ivy Leagues huddle. No time to be subtle, given a choice to either fight or flee humble. I'll be David slinging stones to Goliath's knees buckle.
Trust me, I'm as live as it get.
Don't worry about giving, cause I'm taking respect.
Listen for famous recognition. From out the woodwork emerging for the lines of the grain, a figure forms a figment from inside of my brain. Plant a flag atop hip-hop, I've come to stay claim. Lucid's a state of mind, not just a stage name. Spark blunts to maintain, clouds come, my brain rains. Forms a river to overrun and flood the great plains. Seep through continental shelves to hell and suffocate flames. Form rust to break chains, form rust to break chains. Liberated leaping from this runaway train. It forgot to fix the brakes, too busy buffing paint stains. Yeah, it's up to us to make change. Let's take a moment for the ones that lay slain like